Hello everyone, and I hope you're having a great day. Now today we're continuing with our titration questions, and we're on our second question. The question reads, it takes 25 milliliters of a 0.75 molar concentration of sodium hydroxide solution to completely neutralize 150 milliliters of a sulfuric acid solution. What is the concentration of the sulfuric acid solution? Remember, the first thing to do is to always write a balanced chemical equation. From a balanced chemical equation, determine your molar ratio between the acid and the base. I'm going to write my base first, so therefore my ratio here is 2 to 1. This means it required 2 moles of sodium hydroxide to react with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Now let us look at the variables that were given in the question. For sodium hydroxide, we were given 25 milliliters, which is the same thing as 0.025 dm cube. For sulfuric acid, we were given 150 milliliters, which is the same as 0.15 dm cube. We were also given the molarity of sodium hydroxide, which is 0.75. Now, since we have the molarity and the volume of sodium hydroxide, we can find the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. The number of moles of sodium hydroxide now is given as 0.75 multiplied by 0.025. Therefore, the number of moles of sodium hydroxide is 0.01875. Now, we can use this and the molar ratio to determine the moles of the sulfuric acid. The moles of the sulfuric acid now is given as 0.01875 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? If you look at the molar ratio, sodium hydroxide is twice as much as the sulfuric acid. Or you can simply say that the sulfuric acid is twice as less compared to sodium hydroxide in terms of moles. So therefore, the number of moles of sulfuric acid is 0.009375. Now, since we have the moles and the volume, we can find the molar concentration. The molar concentration now is given as 0.009375 divided by 0.15. Therefore, the molarity of the sulfuric acid solution is 0.0625. I hope this lesson was helpful, and I want to thank you for watching this lesson, and I want to remind you that you are awesome. I want you to have a blessed and wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.